Happy Chinese New Year! It's the year of snake and I'm wishing you all success, good health and plenty of fortune ahead. This week has been crazy in the crypto world, and in this video, I'll quickly recap all the important news to keep you in the loop. If you enjoy direct yet educational content like this, make sure to stay tuned and watch until the end. Alright, let's get started with our first big news in the crypto space. Chinese AI startup DeepSeek has shaken the tech world with its release of R1, an open-source AI model that rivals OpenAI's technology in performance while being 90 to 95% cheaper. And what's even crazier is that they developed this on just $6 million budget, which totally challenges the idea that AI development has to be super expensive. This move from DeepSeek is shaking up the whole AI world. It's threatening the dominance of Silicon Valley and causing some serious turbulence in the market. Even though the US has restriction on exporting AI chips, China is making huge strides with the local manufacturing and platforms like Amazon Cloud Services. Plus, the Chinese government has made things easier for AI companies, which is speeding up innovation. Well, the best part is, DeepSeek's approach goes against the idea that China only makes closed systems. By releasing the tech as open source, they are proving that China is becoming a real contender in the global AI race. And this is making countries like the US and UK super nervous. In fact, the US Donald Trump is pushing a $500 billion AI project called Stargate to keep America on top, and the UK is speeding up the development of new data centers to stay competitive. DeepSeek is really being described as bad news for American tech giants aiming to dominate the AI market with expensive AI services. On Monday, DeepSeek AI assistants overtook ChatGPT as the most downloaded free app on the App Store. However, later that day, the company temporarily limited registrations, citing a large-scale cyber attack on the services. And here's the kicker. DeepSeek is using Nvidia's older H800 chips for its AI models. This is a big deal because the US has put restrictions on selling high-end chips to China. Nvidia called DeepSeek's AI excellent, but pointed out that AI models still need a lot of chips to run. Now, DeepSeek's success is making people question if you really need top-tier chips like Nvidia's for groundbreaking AI. They even just use stockpiled Nvidia GPUs to build the model. So do you think Nvidia's stock is a little bit overvalued right now? Let me know in the comment section below. The Fed kept interest rates steady at 4.25% to 4.5%. No cuts, no hikes, just a hawkish pause. Basically, inflation is still high, the economy is stable, and they are not ready to ease up just yet. Normally, this kind of move isn't great for crypto since high rates keep money out of riskier assets. But this time, the market's reaction was kind of mixed. Right after the announcement, Bitcoin, Solana, and XRP actually went up a little, about 2%. That's probably because stable interest rates make boring investments like bonds less attractive, so investors start looking at stocks and crypto instead. Well, the Fed isn't exactly opening the money taps, but they are also not tightening things further, which keeps liquidity flowing and gives crypto some breathing room. Now, Trump's been pushing for rate cuts, but the Fed's not budging. That means we might not see a big rally in altcoins just yet. But if Powell eventually shifts towards looser policy, that's when things could really take off. For now, Bitcoin's still the safest bet. It's got stronger institutional backing and tends to handle these macro conditions much better than altcoins. Next piece of news, we also have PUNDIAI launching a decentralized data marketplace where users can earn by tagging data. They are merging Function X, FX Score, and PUNDIAI chain into a single blockchain, PUNDIAI FX, to improve scalability and EVM compatibility. As part of this shift, the FX token is rebranding to PUNDIAI with a 100-to-1 conversion. So no new tokens are being minted, just a supply adjustment to match the new ecosystem. On top of that, they are also launching the Pundi Fund Launchpad, where AI agents can launch their own tokens and an AI market-making agent will manage liquidity. The platform will include a data marketplace where AI companies can buy verified datasets and a new AI agent launchpad with a market-making system to manage liquidity. Pundi AI is also working with Featureverse, Nebula, and open source data from Hugging Face to integrate AI data across different industries. Next thing in the roadmap, they'll roll out new AI tagging tools, expand blockchain connections, and launch the marketplace in early 2025. The transition to Pundi AI is meant to align the token with these updates, as Pundi AI focuses on improving AI data quality and accessibility. Virtual's protocol is now expanding to Solana to enhance scalability and attract more developers. It's already on the base network. The AI agent platform aims to leverage Solana's speed and ecosystem to drive multi-chain innovation. This move is considered as bold because a lot of the base network fans aren't too happy with the move. As part of the expansion, Virtuals will introduce a strategic Solana reserve, converting 1% of trading fees into SOL to support agents and creators. The platform will also launch a Meta liquidity pool and expand its grant program to fund early-stage builders on Solana. Others see this as a smart move, setting Virtual Protocol up for growth across multiple chains. While some thought they want to launch their own blockchain, the team is actually just focusing on building liquidity and growing the user base fast. With a 1.6 billion market cap, Virtuals is really locking down its position in the AI and blockchain space. Abstract, a new Ethereum Layer 2 built by the team behind Pudgy Penguins, is now live on Mainnet. It's powered by ZachXBT's ZK stack, using zero knowledge rollups to keep fees low and scalability high. Igloo Inc., the parent company of Pudgy Penguins, developed Abstract to support crypto communities and Web3 apps. The network has built-in account abstraction, meaning wallets can work like smart contracts with social logins, recovery options, and passkey support. With the launch, Abstract introduced the Portal, a platform where users can create a wallet with just an email and jump straight into its ecosystem of over 100 community-built apps. Igloo raised $11 million for the project and even acquired Frame last year to boost its tech stack. Crypto investigator ZachXBT, renowned for exposing scams, now faced accusation of a rug pull after withdrawing $4.3 million in SOL from a Memecoin liquidity pool. The token, unsolicited and tied to his name, was supposedly created to support him. Defending his actions, ZachXBT stated, "People claimed the token was created to support me, so I took a portion of those tokens I was gifted." He denies promoting or being involved in the token's creation. The incident sparked debate on whether Zach's decision to profit from the token was justified or a lapse in judgment. Some, like blockchain investigator SomaXBT, defended him, arguing the token exploited his name without consent. However, critics questioned his credibility, fueling speculation about his motivations. Despite the drama, ZachXBT remains active, continuing to expose scams and warn the community of emerging threats. Frustrated by the lack of financial incentives for his work, he has hinted at fatigue but denies plans to step away, reaffirming his commitment to crypto advocacy. Alright, finally, to wrap up this video, I just want to share that the PUNDIAI team and I will be attending Consensus in Hong Kong. If you're in Hong Kong, come by and say hi. If it's your first time here, a super big welcome to you. By the way, I recently did a video with the famous Man United footballer Patrice Evra, where I hosted him in Hong Kong and convinced him to try some interesting foods like pork intestine and ovidot.
This is the intestine.
Hey!
There you go.
Why you play me like that? Look at this.
Okay, now you can tell me.
You say this is like connect with the asshole.
Yeah. It's
So I can
intestine.
eat like some piece of poo-poo.
If they don't clean
That's
up,
right.
No, I don't eat the pickle, man. I don't eat ass. Oh, man, I don't eat ass, man. No.
clean outside. Professional.
You make me look like liquor ass. Why?
It was super funny, but of course you don't have to eat these types of food. There's still plenty of amazing options in Hong Kong, so be sure to check out my video with him on my separate channel for a good laugh. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.